tree of 340. So 340, it can be written as 2 times 170. 2 times 170 means 340. So 170, it can be written as 2 times 85. 2 times 85 means 170. Like as 85, it can be written as 5 times 17. 5 times 17 means 85. So now we select a prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers are 2, 2, 5 and 17. So we can write 340 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2 times this 2 times this 5 times this 17. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.